Smarter coverage with Hanwha Vision's 3-channel AI, IR, and PTZ multi-directional camera. This compact camera provides seamless 360 degrees AI-powered coverage, using 3 fixed lenses and an 18x zoom PTZ. Advanced handover allows the PTZ to instantly respond to events captured by the fixed lenses, delivering close-up tracking without operator input. At the same time, one-click PTZ control gives operators the power to instantly zoom in on any area, eliminating delays and manual adjustments. Hanwha Vision.